Hey everyone, this is our cargo trailer that we converted into a camper. Come take a look on the inside to see what we did.
All right, so we'll start out with a walk around. It's a 7x14 Continental Cargo. I think Forest River makes them. Got the barn doors. All right, so we put in these solar lights. They're pretty good. Here's our city water, or actually just gravity fed. Stick a hose in there, fill up our freshwater tank. It's our propane tank for our instant water heater. I'm gonna come back around here because, yeah. Here's the 30 amp connection. All right, we'll head inside. All right, so we didn't get the RV door because it's just expensive. We were trying to go cheap as possible. So we got a nice coat rack, got some door latches. All right, and this is the kit. I'll just show you the whole thing in one shot. So pretty much got everything we need. We got a kitchen, shower, bathroom, bed, table. All right, so we come on in. There's our instant water heater. Got a nice mirror, comes out. Got a nice little spice rack that olive oil doesn't fit in too well. And here's where we keep our stove, propane stove, 2-burner. This space, we couldn't really figure out what to do because it still goes all the way back. So if we have, like, you know, a case of water or extra food, we can just throw it back there. And then we have these drawers, you know, for like cutlery and spoons and stuff. We like to use plastics. All right, and then up here, cabinet pretty much holds everything. Pantry, our pots and pans, cups, food, paper towel holder. All right, so while I'm here, just go to the plumbing. There is where the water comes in, the fresh water from the outside, that little gravity fill up our 26-gallon freshwater tank, and from the sink, our gray water tank goes right to here. And I just did some PEX and ran the sink and the shower with that. And here's our little 12-volt water pump. Works pretty well. So we, you know, turn it on. That'll heat it up. All right, extinguisher mounted there. Little trash can in there. All right, here's our shower. It's a 32 by 32 shower pan, and then I did the sides with FRP board, fiberglass board. We have a nice little shampoo holder and stuff, and this is a you know, comes on and off. So, oh, I actually don't want to turn it on right now. Yeah, I don't want water going everywhere. But yeah, there's the ceiling, got a nice light in there. So that's our shower. All right, next we'll go to the bathroom. So we decided to do a compost toilet. It was just the easiest option. I don't want to mess with the black tank. Yeah, and I don't want to have to worry about dumping it. So I shall show you. Yep, so basically here's the pee diverter, or the urine diverter. It goes into that bucket, we can empty it. And we just use, what is this stuff called? It's like pine stuff. Ah, sorry, you don't have to look it up. It's just like rabbit or gerbil bedding or something. So works pretty well. And this thing has no smell, so I don't know if you can see down there. There's a little fan, little 12-volt computer fan. And I ran the switch right there, and you just hit that switch, and the fan kicks on, and there's absolutely no smell. So, yep, and you just take the bag out, it's a little 5-gallon bucket. All right, and then got some shelves up here. These won't come out because I got hooks in the back that I just hooked it in there. These are, we found a slab of wood on the side of the road that somebody was selling. So it was already, you know, milled, and I think they ran it through a planer already. So yeah, epoxied the tops. Came out pretty good for the first time messing with epoxy. Got some nice blinds. You can crack a window if you want. It gets pretty bad in here. And then made this little vanity. Keep all our toiletries and extra bags. Those are all the compost bags. Soap, toilet paper, toothbrush, anything you want. And then it has a sliding door. So there's the shower, kitchen, door. While we're here, I got a, I think it's a Fantastic fan. I forget, honestly, but works pretty good. Yeah, not much to say about that. Come over here, she'll show you, we got a nice table and it folds down. So when we're driving down the road, you just fold it right down. It latches in on the side. Yeah. Yep, perfect. And then we usually just move the chairs. These are on swivel chairs, so we'll just move them back like this, and then we'll put our cooler in the front of it. And so we decided to just keep the cooler instead of doing a mini fridge because it uses more juice, and we already have a really good cooler that we can use, so why spend more money? More blinds. Over here we got a queen size bed. We got the mattress off Amazon. Fits perfectly, so we didn't decorate the walls yet, but I'm sure that's coming. We got a 32-inch TV. It's on a mount, so it tilts down, comes out, swivels, and then we can actually take it and it'll come all the way out, and we can turn it, and then we can open up those doors. And we've done that when I went camping with my family, my parents and stuff. We ended up having our little propane fire pit out there, and we watched a movie because we just we just use our tablets, hook up movies from Netflix or something that we download, and then hook it up to the Bluetooth, our little Bluetooth speaker right here. Just got a little temperature gauge. So it's pretty cold out right now. It's like 30 degrees. It's 44 in here. We just got here, just started the heater up. So there's the outlet that swivels. We're using like those Chinese diesel heaters, so I'll show you that in a minute. But while we're in here, I'm sure everyone's seen these on Amazon. Little USB, little 12 volt hookup for a car. These are two ones I haven't ran anything to, but got our Christmas lights ran because it was just Christmas. So yeah, and one more light in here. Pretty much it. We'll go to the underside of the, you know, where that doggy door is. We'll go around back. Yeah, so that heats it up pretty nice. Usually the little trolling motor battery, it'll last. I mean, we haven't, you know, ran that thing more than halfway down. Obviously it's a lead acid, but it's lasted us what, 22 hours I think. So along with that heater, so pretty efficient. All right, so we'll open up the back. These are the barn doors. That little shelf, little Twisted Tea sign. All right, this is just like a little garage underneath. So you see back there, there's dryer duct, some 3-inch dryer duct, so it goes all the way down through the floor and out of the bottom of the heater. So that heater will just push some heat right in pretty nicely. And then here's all the electrical. I got 200 amp hour batteries, so 200 amp hours total. 2000 watt inverter, a little battery charger over there mounted to the wall, some outlets under here, LED strip, fuse box. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And here's a view from the outside. So I was saying that TV swivels out, and then we can put some chairs out here and watch TV when it's nice and warm out. But yeah, let us know what you think.